Setting up your SadoTech doorbell can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Make sure your receiver is plugged in and is in a safe area. Now if you look at your receiver, there should be two buttons. One is the volume control button and the other is the music control button. Also, make sure you pull out the tab that is on your transmitter. Pull it out. Pop it back in. Now let's learn how to adjust your volume level. By pressing the volume control button, you can choose your desired volume. Same thing goes for this as well. Now let's learn how to change your doorbell's chime. Simply press the music control button and choose your desired music chime. Now let's learn how to go into learning mode. Press the two buttons at the same time and you'll hear a sound. Simply pressing the button on your transmitter will allow the transmitter to be paired. Make sure you press the button when the receiver is in learning mode. Let's do the same for this receiver by pressing these two buttons at the same time and pressing it when it's in learning mode. Now, let's learn how to unpair or reset the receiver. By pressing and holding the music control button for 3 seconds, you hear it make a sound. Let's do the same for the plug-in. Now, if I press the transmitter, the receivers don't go off. You have now learned how to configure your products.